Sup, it's Sydney, and you might be asking yourself, why are you sitting so far away from the camera? And the answer is simple, honestly. It's because I look ugly right now. That's kind of the whole point of this video. Most of you have probably seen a transformation video before. The concept really isn't that hard to grasp. It's basically the process of me going from a little peasant boy, like how I look right now, and transforming into a slightly better looking version of myself. But this back to school transformation video, you know, has a little twist to it. It's a little bit edgier. It's not like the other girls. And that is because I'm going to attempt to go from a nice solid 3 to a maybe 6 before school starts, but while still saving money that I'm going to have to eventually spend on textbooks.
To make a long story short,
basically I'm going to be doing this on a budget. Before we get into the video, I just want to quickly say that this video is sponsored and approved by Function of Beauty, so like, shout out to you guys. Ironically, the first step is also the most expensive, so we're really not starting off well, but it's getting a haircut because this is just not it.
And your hair is uneven. You look dusty.
So much better, thank God. Obviously, an important step in any transformation is working out. We really gotta chase that back to school bod because we didn't really chase that summer bod at all, so we have some work to do. I don't even have a gym membership because I just use the one whenever I get to school because it's free, and by free I mean it comes with my tuition, which is definitely not free. Ooh. We're gonna do it in the best free gym there is, okay? The great outdoors. It's so freaking hot. I hate this. I literally just came up with this. I am not a professional instructor, but it's gonna be 20 minutes of like cardio / abs. Don't look at me. I wrote it all out while I was procrastinating actually doing it, but we're gonna do 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and it's 10 exercises, and then we get a little break, and we repeat. It's gonna suck. Ready, set, go. This workout is so free that you don't even need a yoga mat because I couldn't find mine, so we're using patio cushions. Oh, this sucks. This is basically just high knees twice, Sydney. Why? We're back to our little DIY mat. Can that plane come rescue me? Jesus. This doesn't look hard, but it's so hard because you're not supposed to rock back and forth. Don't make this sexual. I'm just trying to get abs. Me and my noodle arms hate this one. Future Sydney. Never let Sydney plan a workout for you ever. She doesn't know what she's doing and she accidentally makes it really hard for no reason. I don't even actually get to rest because I keep having to move the camera. You gotta sweat like you mean it. Free your mind. Are we done? Ain't close enough. I just want a big butt. It's not asking for a lot. I hate myself for planning this workout. How much time is left? Done. Ugh. I mean, might as well spend my 2-minute break in air conditioning.
Bruh.
Rosie, don't make me go out there again. I don't want to. No! So excited to be back at it.
Why you always lying?
Back to school bod, complete. Except not actually because it would take like a long time for me to be completely in shape again, but it's a start. Hopefully we'll be continuing that for the next 2 weeks before I go back. Do we have abs yet? Nope.
Whoa.
I mean, I love the whole sweaty look, but I think personally to glow up for back to school, we should consider showering. I want to come out of the shower like a new freaking human. So we're gonna go hard. We're gonna exfoliate, we're gonna moisturize, we're gonna shave, we're gonna wash and condition our hair. Speaking of which, amazing transition, I know. My hair has this problem where it just freaking sucks on a regular basis. So That's why I started using Function of Beauty, because you take a little 2-minute quiz and then you can identify what you think is important for your specific hair, and Function of Beauty actually comes up with a unique formula to help solve those hair issues, because I have a lot of hair issues. My hair loves to get split ends, so that's why I got my hair cut, but then also combining it with the shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty will really help to prevent those in the future and keep my hair from getting so dry. The quiz is so easy, like literally the best pop quiz I've ever taken. And it's also kind of fun because you get to pick the colors for each one and the fragrances, and then you also get to name it, and most people put their name, but I'm stupid, so I put Function of Yeet. Sorry. And if you're not a fan of the whole metal cap situation, don't even worry, because each one also comes with a little pump. If you guys click the link in my description, you can actually get 20% off your first order, and we all know that discount codes are college students' best friends, so I'm gonna yeet and pour some Function of Yeet on my head, and then hopefully I'll look less ugly. Look how squeaky clean. I have really chubby cheeks. Obviously gotta do a face mask, but face masks are kind of expensive, so we're gonna do something freaking crazy, okay? We're gonna DIY a face mask. Little science experiment's about to happen on my face. Don't know if it's a good idea or not, but for this one you need 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder, then just half a teaspoon of sea salt. Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Then you have to mix in 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Lord DIY freaking who? Throwback to when I used to make DIY videos. This totally credible, not sketchy at all website says that it repairs and prevents cell damage. Is this freaking biology? Clears up blemishes and moisturizes. So, sounds pretty good to me. Will it work? I don't know. Most civilized humans would use like an applicator or brush or something to apply this, but no! I'm turning myself into an ice cream sundae. I almost poked my eye out. Why did I think that was gonna taste good? It looks like it would taste good, but it doesn't, obviously. Ba-da-da-da-da, I can feel the sea salt. Ooh. Earlier today, I would not have guessed that I was going to be using a knife to rub kitchen ingredients all over my face, but I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes, and if I don't come out smelling like a Hershey's chocolate bar and looking like a bronzed goddess with amazing skin, I'm gonna be offended. It's been like 5 minutes, but then I remembered that the next step is to do a teeth whitening strip, and like I should just do these at the same time. You might think that whitening treatments are kind of expensive, but honestly, if you just get the Crest white strips, they're really not that bad. If you buy a 24 pack on Amazon, each little treatment is only like $1.20 each, so not too bad. Plus, I already had this, so we're really balling on a budget here. I'm so attractive. If you kind of rub it, you can really feel that sea salt exfoliating. Oh, my nostril. We're not going to talk about that. Do just a day in the life of Sydney, your local idiot. My skin actually feels kind of smooth. Milton Hershey who? I just drove to Urban Outfitters for the next step, but first we gotta... Yay. In college, I don't really try with my appearance. I feel like that's pretty obvious. So I'm hoping to find one nice thing that I can pair with other things that I already own for the one time that I ever try to look nice this coming school year. This is option number 1. It's a very classic black tank top staple, but I already own it in 2 other colors. Option 2, wow, fire, awesome bodysuit. Kind of reminds me of a swimsuit from the 60s, but kind of into it. Shirt number 3 is 10 out of 10 on the fuzz, but 0 out of 10 on the price. And lastly, we have what I like to call my Mushu boob shirt. I really love this, and I didn't get it, spoiler alert, but I kind of want to go back and get it. I'm back. I ended up getting the bodysuit. I thought some of the other stuff was cute, but this one was actually on sale. It was still $19.99 because Urban Outfitters, but at least it was on sale. Big reveal, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. Here's our fit that we got going on. Ooh. Ah, crazy. Oh my god, who is she? I need to save my money for textbooks, so this is what you get. Tell me I'm pretty. Do I look crazy different? No, but I didn't really spend that much money, and I feel like the minor things definitely helped, and now I'm clean also. This was the amount that I ended up spending. Not too bad considering the first step was my haircut, and that was $40. I think this just goes to show that really anyone can switch up their appearance, even if it's only a little, or at least just like have fun. If you want to see this slightly better looking face elsewhere, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Peace out, bye.